Recently, I want to me imagine so. I call MTN Nigeria for websites. Na call MTN for office normally in Nigeria no, as compared to Ghanaians. Because sometimes me downloads be daytime. Me pay our bundle. As me be a 5 gig be na 2 cities. Number team there me downloads for one na. Me have me nyasa offer no. Me imagine so. I call other countries That office it be wo ho anase it be ni ho and at the same time so Offshore Ghana has said the prices data prices ne boarding and as I say baby Ghana say and ye amy like baby a nisha BBI digital into that means say county la ya aiming for digitalization and say your data bundles they very cheap because any the essential project bisana the essential part no obi betimi access internet na say data prices never from no betimi talk anytime bia nti ma memfa mo nko MTN Nigeria for website wo we MTN Nigeria for website wo nti sisi ya no hwa awa band na me pe no Nigeria for mo minim say wa hwe video we no MTN Ghana onhu say omoma say one na bi utimi nya 5 gig na say bisa minim say wa hu sa offer bisa patch of comment na yen hwe oko Nigeria one na no ubetimi nya ye fa ne say when I remember 10 gig yo or metimi for one na no 10 gig into internet ne ya 10 gig obetimi download it na o hwe Nigeria for cc a omo 5G MTN or 5G bagana ha no nipa do na no 4G kra no omunya nti cc a o hwe 10 gig wo Nigeria 10 gig Nigeria 10 gig ye 10 cedis 83 pesos. And according to when you come in to Google, a bit of a surprise in here down a bit when you 9 cities and I say 8 cities. Oshe video we are obey wide say Nigeria for Sikano Intina, Nebonetisa, Nebonetisa. Fasadi you to him. Oko Nigeria marketer. Yamfan say Ghana Hana. Opa iPhone 13 Pro Max. Ukita 8,500. I'll bet me and Yabino. Ubenya be market no. Use one. Oko Nigeria ukita 8,500 na offer 8,500 na de ko Nigeria kase omusika no from timinya ni cheaper oko ha 8,500 no kwa wan sha unya iPhone 13 Pro Max emo bin deceive say Nigeria for the watch Google ye 1 cedi Nigeria for 83 say inti minya sika kakra bi me de ko Nigeria metimi edi ni bebre enye no kre emo bi funny 100 cedis bi say o de ko Nigeria akwa spend wo enye no kre nti we ni 1,000 naira 1,000 Nigerian naira no ene 10 gig for hour no one na no nti eno o de baga na sika ma 10 cedis pacho 10 cedis nti meme hu say Nigeria for sika no omo maintain zeros no ena Ghana ha no yase dey zeros na free ho omo ye hu say bia ase kese bi sabat o deep down o where yisika na nkoba bia pacho atiase cause obetimi a check Nigeria wo na for Nigeria obetimi a check a fabra Ghana sika nim phones bia wo pekato anase we na fabra Ghana sika nim obehu nti office no mode mai wa ha no mode magana ha no enye Nigeria for sika nti no mo chi bundle no one ebetimi aye MTN for monka so mo decision our modern say bi o mo person mo mia Ghanaians and two cause okay say me video bi by see an MTN data office no NCA for ma flag MTN for as SMP nti the main problem be brave so ye NCA for I mean putting say NCA no government na into the main problem between me the government of Ghana no and omo sheda increase data bundles no cause ade me be hu ye no na very sad cause yen data bundles ni be brave yen hwe na onhu yen ko 6 months plan e ko 6 months plan no betimi nya 800 gig 800 gig 800 gig in saying 90,000 naira. 90,000. 974 Ghana cedis. 974 Ghana cedis. Oba Ghana Haseya. 95 gig. 95 gig. Yetono. 350 Ghana cedis. 350 Ghana cedis. Patching you. 95 gig. See 95 gig. 300 gig and 95 gig 300 gig, you know. And no ye more than 970 Ghana cedis wɔ no new 300 gig, but hano ubenya 800 gig, ubenya 800 gig. Pacho yeho. Enti wohu baby a hot cause every day bia no ubetimi to data for like to data 50 Ghana cedis. And because of how as I say bibi bia internet and so no obi akọ online. Last time be Madam Fobi are very very close to the current government in this year. Okay, me so I Same because a vice president in year kind of implementation be IT staffs, you know. I don't think I won't can be being found because I think so can be found when I be one. Let me say the catch and say okay, most of year nice implementation. But see I Ghana ha digitalization process, you know, me who so years because one ade a ye call ye ade digital no yintimi increase data prices. Two, the laptops mass students or no edge me some video from here the laptops in mass students na data prices is higher. I think the students no omo ntimi you see tablet na laptop na tablet in this because data prices is high. So that BBB cost be the best practice way with me say ye be decrease data prices no obi abenya access to the internet obi abetimi sunsua no bebre ye rely on midnight bundle na se see akra na midnight no kra na o midnight bundle like say MTN phone ka muti free no muti free wo o beneficiary bundle na why na ne bo eden no nti ohun de ekoso country nim but you ate say nti o hwe how Nigeria for prices in it na meet me say 400% better than Ghana for office no and a one enye omo population oka say population na me no nya adwen cause the more population the more investment MTN for being invested in infrastructure so mefa more adwuma for be because of population the do so nti dem cry so mo increase data prices no but because of Ghana for population into no I didn't na your data na no I did too much. Any question to say in be say and the sad part in say your competitors to say Telecel Ethertigo cause oko Nigeria see na I think say network providers normal 5G you know what has only 2 or more but Ghana see na 5G mpo ebi ni ha Ghana 5G ni ha and instead say me won say NCA for be ka ho asem mama ye update the koso and at the same time so called Nigeria see na obo Starlink wo ho competition na wo ho no high to the extent say 1 to 2 data prices ne so obi eni ho beba atase cause untimi mbe ye kese atase cause o ye kese no obi nam ho ba hana Ghana hano ye wo kro bi wo kra network imponi ha but this country is heading towards to digitalization na yenhu there cause at the same time so competition is high cause Nigeria come to say Ethel for 5G or Nigeria. I'm yet to confirm, but okay, video bet me a confirming Ethel for 5G. But I know Ethel to go higher. Ethel to go no 4G community be. Last time me name me call more office so me na me ne more workers in the back kasa. O catch him so on be free 3G no more bar 5G straight. But a process at least you feel 4G in speed in a kakra. It's an 5G. Ain't see you how data prices next year as compared to a problem pa EFC CCN is a one MTN problem pa EFC MTN by now it was 2024 no it's at least you feel 5G Ghana ha 5G network and say by now Ghana ha because Ghanaians anything beyond na ye Nigeria for but me who about kind of your content creation how a man for fast Yempiska online. Untimi fa Ghana compare Nigeria. 1, omo PayPal. 2, sisi a Facebook for umbe enable monetization Nigeria. 3, sisi a no Nigeria for creators no mo create videos in Sydney. Omo mekeka. Omutimi eniska of Nigeria. Omutimi eniska of Nigeria. Inti na Nigeria for guys no. Obon say omuchucha content no. Nice houses. They support each other. Also, they support each other. Send Nigeria for creator be once when you see kabebre. What I say because implementations never for online. A support or more online. No, at the whole. Start finding the whole. Because untimi can't say because of the reason to omo in Ghana free paper me say fraud no do so no Nigeria for ka ho Ghana in Nigeria he for fraud no so so who say problem no war I said the government of Ghana is step it up because and yes mo ko Facebook war na mo twa letter komo mo a enye letter ne say mo pese mo nte 21% will be running advert for Facebook ye tin 21% tax instead say mo kwa mo ba kwa pay update about monetization na wo Ghana how Ghanaians and answer wo food soldier to say bia food soldier be support o na wo panyin no wa ya adwuma bia food soldier need to make post wo Facebook at least Facebook for be chia ne ka e bi sana e say mutimi work towards na obi etimi nye sika cause obi a wodi panyin bi achi bia na enye panyin na no ho ye ne fe obi sika kwa kwhwe na busua nti o ya de bia se wonya de bi na enka ye nyina ya affect ye nyina ene bebo ama country ni nyina ya de etimi akoye ni mi gidi se video bebo wow o question do obetimi ali video to video ya se and at the same time so o panyin bi na wo hwe video we ya launch program training na all constituency beba ho a e be che forex trading cryptocurrencies like your playlist better na you be share or more constituency na e bitimi a benefit so see the video we aboa no the next video na nkwa mu bankra no e chin we me boa e person e share bi